Hey everyone, meteorologist Rich Von Owen for Weather Express with a look ahead at the upcoming week weather-wise as we close out the month of April. So the weekend, not the best. We had some rain on Saturday, shower storm Saturday night, and then some gusty winds on Sunday. A little shot there at Port Jefferson where it looks nice, but it's still kind of cool, kind of windy and gusty, but we'll get rid of that going into Monday. Still snowing in parts of northern Vermont and New Hampshire. I think that ski season is going to extend until the end of May, as they've had some pretty chilly weather and some substantial snow the past several months there. To the west of us, not too much doing, so I think we'll be okay, but way west, things will start to fire up with some tornadoes possible. Parts of Minneapolis, Wisconsin, getting into Iowa, that's for Monday. And the Storm Prediction Center just updated this. Western Pennsylvania, western New York now enhanced threat here for Tuesday with that front coming in, but really not for us here across the island. I think we'll be okay. We'll have some beautiful weather for Monday. It's a nice day, figure about 70 degrees. The wind's not so bad. Okay on Tuesday, southwest breeze, some low 70s, all the rain off to the west. I don't think we get much rain, maybe a little backdoor nudge of cooler air. We'll see if we get that later in the day or early on Wednesday. If it's later, we'll hit 80 on Wednesday. If earlier, we'll probably be in the 70s, but still some nice weather though. 40s, 50s here, water temps still struggling to come on up with some of the chilly air and some of the rain we've had lately. And the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, I'm not really buying this for the second week of May, and I'll show you why in a moment here. It's going like near normal and below normal precipitation, but this is the jet stream pattern that just came out in the models here. You can see where we are right there with the arrow. Now, the next few days, we're okay. This is getting into the first 2 or 3 days of May later this week into the weekend. But you look at all that blue across central and eastern Canada, and that just says that winter doesn't want to give up so fast. And notice how a couple of the blue areas start to dive southeast again, right towards our arrow right there. Now, normally that'll just like fly out of here and we'd see some nice warm air coming in from the west. But the long range suggesting, this is towards May 5th, May 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th, that a little bit of a block there downstream. See how that blue and that green kind of just like sits there like a donut right across our area? If that's the case, that's an upper air low that'll sit around and make our weather maybe not so great for that second week of May. Again, it's long range, we'll see if things change, but my advice is to enjoy this week. We got 70s Monday, Tuesday, maybe 80 on Wednesday, couple of clouds, maybe a shower, nothing big into Thursday, 70 on Friday, a couple of showers early Saturday, nothing big, and then 65 on Sunday, back to windy. But we'll see what happens with that second week of May. But until then, enjoy a great week of weather.